Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Haitian rice with pigeon peas. But for this video we are using a special rice. This is called Shela rice or Diri Shela. This is a rice that's made in Haiti, and let me tell you guys, when you are cooking it, it's going to smell so strong, but I promise you guys it tastes so good. So if you happen to be in Haiti, or if you have a friend that's in Haiti, ask them to bring you this rice back. And we are going to be using a piece of jalapeno pork with some cloves, parsley tied with thyme, and I'm using 2 mushroom Maggie cubes. If you have the fresh mushroom, you can definitely use that instead. And a couple tablespoons of my Haitian spice, which I do have a video up in this channel showing you guys how I make it. A piece of garlic crushed, and I'm using some frozen pigeon peas. And I went ahead and boiled it for like 10 minutes before using it. And then I'm using a can of coconut milk, and I have some olive oil, and of course you can use Maggie if you use Maggie, and you will be needing some water and some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. To get started, you want to go ahead and turn your stove onto medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my oil. This is about 1/4 cup of oil. And I have a little special helper here helping me. Show them your little hands. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my son, my youngest son, who loves to be in the kitchen. So he is helping me today. So now you're going to go ahead and put in that Epis. And I'm going to put in that garlic also. And allow it to fry until it's about a golden brown color. Then we can go ahead and add the peas. Okay, as you can see, my Epis has browned up a little bit, and then my little helper here is going to help me put in my pigeon peas. Okay, thank you, Jamal. And now I'm going to stir it up, and I'm going to allow this to fry for a good 2 to 3 minutes, and then when I come back, I'll go ahead and put in that mushroom Maggie. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in that mushroom Maggie while my son puts in the parsley and pepper. I'm going to put both of them in there. Okay. If you haven't, please go follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and come snap with us on Snapchat. And please go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, my Creole channel, which I make these recipes in Creole. The link for all those will be down in the description box for you guys to go check out. And now I'm just mixing everything together. Again, if you are a fan of Maggie cube, this is where you will add your Maggie cube. I just leave it to be an option for you guys, but I do use Maggie myself. Okay. And now you want to go ahead and put in that coconut milk. I'm going to save a little bit of mine. And now cover it and let it cook for a good 5 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in some salt to your own liking, of course. You want to definitely make sure you taste your food as you are cooking. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the water. As you guys know, I don't usually measure my water. I just use that technique that you always see me use when I'm cooking rice. I make sure my rice is on top of my water, and that never fails me. And now while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and wash my rice. And then once my water has boiled, I'm going to put my rice in it. My water started boiling. You want to go ahead and make sure your water have enough salt. And mine have enough. And if yours don't, go ahead and adjust your salt. And then now I'm going to go ahead and put in that washed rice. Again, you guys know I like to focus on the center of the pot when I'm adding my rice. This is why I don't measure my water or my rice. Okay. And when I tell you guys, when this rice is cooked, it have a smell. It definitely have a smell. But do not let that scare you at all. And if you don't go to Haiti, if you don't have anywhere of getting this rice, you can definitely use the Uncle Ben parboiled rice. It will not give you that same smell, but it'll definitely be better than white rice. Kind of in between brown and white rice. I had a chance to use that when I went to see my friend Shanique in Tampa, and I love that Uncle Ben parboiled rice. So thank you, Shanique, for introducing me to it. And I can already see I have way too much water, and I don't have any more rice left anymore. So now all I'm going to do is remove some of that water, making sure I don't take some of that coconut milk or some of that oil. Okay, even though you want to reserve this water, you do not want to throw it away. Okay, if this method helped you, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this method has helped you, and if you use a different method, let me know what other method you use besides that 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Let me know if you were taught another method. I'm going to save the water like I said. Okay. I wish I had more of that rice in my pantry, but unfortunately that's the last of it for me. Okay, this is about enough. And now go ahead and mix your rice in and let it cook until the water is completely gone, and then I'll come back and show you guys what to do next. As you can see, all the water has gone down, and now you want to go ahead and mix the rice. You want to go ahead and grab me the top, Jamal? Yeah. Having my little helper help me real quick. And I can see my rice is not cooked to how I like. And now I'm going to take some of that water that I took out and just sprinkle over it. Okay, a little more.
Here, Mommy.
And again, turn it. Hold on, baby.
Okay.
And you want to go ahead and turn your stove down to about a 4 or medium low and cover it until your rice is nice and cooked. Okay, as you can see, my Diri Shela is all done, and it definitely cooked to perfection. You can definitely count every single piece of rice if you had that time, but I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. And it smells so good, just like I told you guys before. It tastes so good. Stay tuned for the pictures at the end so you guys can see what I eat it with. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.